So just tell me about you, give a brief introduction about you, your background, your location, your education qualification. Yeah.
Sir, my name is Rohit Bhat. I came from Noida district. I did my master's degree in biochemistry from University of Hyderabad. I pursued my graduation degree from Revancha University, Qatar. And currently I am solely preparing for the civil service examination. And my hobby is playing cricket. And I was a volunteer of National Service Team in my school, that is class 11. And my achievements are first, I got CSR net JRF rank 106, and second I was a under 19 national level cricketer selected in 2013, and third I selected for project assistant in Center for Cellular and Molecular Biology.
Okay. So already you have qualified for CSIR, that All India rank 106, and you did your PG in biochemistry. Why don't you go for like research line in chemistry rather than choosing civil service? Why do you want to join civil service?
Sir, since my master's degree, I have some enthusiasm towards civil service. The opportunity provided by the service is incomparable to any other service, and I think that even if I can contribute a minor portion for making a just society, I'll be grateful to myself. And the dynamic nature of the service which lead to large-mindedness where I'll be care for other people's life apart from my own. So I choose this thing.
Okay. Yeah. So now tell me, like you, your optional is geography, right?
Yes, sir.
Geography and home science.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Uh, how do you think that geography will help you in the civil service journey?
Sir, geography is an interdisciplinary subject which
Okay.
covers subjects, other subjects dimension like ecology, economy, sociology, anthropology, etc. And as an administrator, it is important to know the specific location of that area where he has been posted, like topography, soil structure, rainfall, forest area, etc.
Okay.
And second thing is, it is important to know the economic benefit of that area, like natural resources, mines, fuel resources, etc. And third thing is, it is important to know the people of that area, like social configuration, racial configuration, demographic data, age and sex ratio. So, because of these factors, geography holds an um, imperative position in the good governance and the better administration.
Okay. Tell me type of forest we can see in Odisha. What type of forest you can see in Odisha?
So we usually see tropical forest, that is deciduous and moist deciduous. Both the types of forest we can see in Odisha.
Okay. Tell me the mangrove forest we can found throughout India. Which are the state we can found mangrove forest?
The largest home of mangrove forest is, sir, the Sundarban, that is West Bengal. Then we can found in Gujarat, in Odisha, Krishna Godavari Basin, and in in Andaman and Nicobar.
Uh, what is the cause behind like cyclone in Odisha, particularly in October month?
So, sir, basically the uh, sea temperature is quite high during that time period, during October, and the geographical location of Odisha is such that the cyclone originated in Bay of Bengal is got hit by our state Odisha.
Okay. So over to you, ma'am. You can ask home science question as Rohit have home science also. So just a minute, ma'am. I think you are in mute. Ma'am, unmute yourself.
Yes, I
Yes, yes,
did.
yes, yes, yes.
Can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
We
ma'am.
can hear you.
Okay. Uh, Congratulations, Rohit. At the outset, I am proud of you on behalf of Kalinga Institute, and my wishes too also for your future interview. So I want to
Okay, ma'am.
know, as your home science is optional, can you tell me about one nation and one law?
Sorry, ma'am.
One nation, one law about the
Ma'am, Universal Civil Code.
one nation, one law.
I would
When it
like
is
to apologize.
implemented, who is the implementing agency, or who is implement this law?
Sorry, ma'am. I would like to apologize. I don't know the answer.
Yes, yes. You will go. Please go through the FSSI for the food adulteration. One nation, one law. That is now the this is the slogan. Okay.
Mm.
You go through the that I think that is their website, FSSAI, Food
Okay, ma'am.
Safety and Standard Order.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay.
Then my plate. Tell me about my plate concept.
Sorry, ma'am. I don't know the answer.
Again, you will go to that website, because these are the basic thing you should know, because you have to implement this thing for the rural people to take the balanced diet. Clear?
Mm. Okay.
Okay. Then a tagline of Eat Right India movement.
Sorry,
Sahi
ma'am.
Bhojan, Behtar Jivan.
Sorry,
Sahi
ma'am.
Bhojan, Behtar Jivan. Yes.
I am not well prepared for home science.
Okay, okay. Don't worry. Don't be get nervous, because nobody knows also. Okay. I just
Okay.
want to, you should go through the latest thing.
Ma'am, can you please repeat what you said previous line?
What is
Eat,
the tagline of Eat Right, right India movement? Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Then another question from my side is, what is recommended dietary intake, and how many times it is revised?
Recommended dietary intake in terms of calories, ma'am.
No, no, no. Recommended dietary intake, that is the nutrient intake or of the or food group intake by a person in terms of the in to remain healthy. There is a ICMR body and NIN, National Institute of Nutrition. They they have a advisory committee, and they revise the this recommended dietary intake in every 10 years. Or now it was after 2010, now it is 2020, recommended dietary intake is there. And there is here you will get the reference man, reference woman, and
Okay, ma'am.
reference what will be the actual height and age. Okay, you will get that.
Okay, ma'am.
You will
Okay, ma'am.
again go to the ICMR NIN website. You will get about it. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
because these are the things, minimum things you should know.
Okay, ma'am.
Clear? Then, being
Okay.
an officer, how will you control food adulteration in your area?
Uh, um, food adulteration is a serious issue, so uh, we should uh, we should collaborate with the civil society, the local civil society in our area to work hand in hand. We should make a path to work hand in hand with themselves, and it is difficult to directly access to the area where food is adulterated. So we should also engage some NGOs and civil societies for this purpose. Yeah.
Good. Then another question is, how will you control malnutrition?
Ma'am, malnutrition is basically prevalent in rural areas, so we should, as an administrator, we should regularly visit rural areas and educate them about nutritional health and nutritional intake, and as well as we we visit regularly to the Anganwadi center where children are fed with nutritional food.
Okay. So Rohit, actually tell me, as Madam asked you related to nutrition, tell me some scheme related to nutrition launched by Government of India as well as Government of Orissa. Have you heard
Sorry,
about
sir. Currently, I am unable.
Have you heard about Poshan Abhiyaan?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Have you heard about National Food Security Mission?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So just tell me the net bank tributary of Brahmaputra River.
Left bank tributary. Dibang,
Yes.
Dihan,
Okay.
Buri Dihin, and sir,
Okay.
this much
What
I
is
will.
what is tell me which is the longest like river in Orissa and what is its length?
Sir, the longest river is Mahanadi.
What is the length of Mahanadi?
The length of Mahanadi is 800, around 840 kilometers.
Okay, exactly that is not the correct answer. You check that one. Okay, and one more thing, you just regarding to the river system, there is a conflict
Okay, sir.
between Odisha and Chhattisgarh related to Mahanadi.
That is, sir.
So, what
Yes, sir.
do you think that how can you solve this dispute related to Mahanadi between Odisha and Chhattisgarh? So, what are the steps as an administrator you will suggest?
The problem of water regarding Mahanadi is since last decade it has been in the picture. So yeah, the Odisha government claimed that the Chhattisgarh government in the upper reach of Mahanadi is constructing some dams and barrages, which limiting the water flow in the Odisha region, and it severely affect the irrigation area. So in this case, both the governments should sit and talk and find out an amicable solution, so that there should not be any further conflict regarding the water dispute.
Okay.
And both the governments should obey the water tribunal judgment, so the both the people can be benefited. Both the side of the people can be benefited from the judgment.
Okay. So, have you heard about the Taliban have captured 90% of the area in Afghanistan and they are going to form the government in
Yes, sir.
Afghanistan. So, do you think that India government should support this Taliban-led government or it should oppose? If so, why?
Sir, as India has a higher stakes in in Afghanistan, and we have constructed many infrastructural projects like India Afghanistan Friendship Bridge, Friendship Dam on Dam, as well as we built some library, as well as the parliament also built by India. The stakes are very much high, as it is not only the question of our security but also geopolitical and uh, and economically also we will lag behind if we let Afghanistan slip away from our hand. So at this time, I think that it is better to start a backstage channel to talk with Taliban, and we should start track to diplomacy so that the Afghanistan should not slip from our hand, because our neighboring nation, the rogue nations like Pakistan and China are already aligned to Taliban, and they will definitely use Taliban against India in some point of time. So
Okay.
I think that we should start talking to Taliban from here.
Okay. So, you must have heard about this Kashmir unrest. Okay. and
Yes, sir.
you have about also know about Article 370 and 35A. So Article
Yes, sir.
35A related to what?
Article 35 is related to um, the separate power given to the Kashmiris, means the special power given to the Kashmiris, like the normal citizen of India cannot purchase land in the Kashmir Valley, or and it is also gender biased article related to women. Uh, so this all I know, sir.
Okay. So tell me some of the river in Orissa which originated from Orissa and flowing outside of Orissa. Which originated within state and flowing outside state.
Yes. Mm, mm. But I'm forgetting right now.
Okay, it's okay, no issue. Just tell me, like you are from Nuapada, right? Tell me
Yes, sir.
tell me some places, famous places in Nuapada. Why Nuapada is famous?
Sir, yes, sir. The first famous place is Yogeshwar Temple, which is situated in Patora, near Patora Dam. The dam is constructed on Jonk River, which is a left-bank tributary of Mahanadi River, and the dam is used for the irrigational purpose. And second famous place is Sunabeda Wildlife Sanctuary, which spanning uh, around more than 70 kilometers, 70 square kilometers. And third place is Tikhali Dam, which is constructed on Indira River, which is a tributary of Tail River, and it is a ambitious project for the socio-economic development of the people as well as irrigational purpose, not only in the Noapada district but also for the Kalahandi district. And fourth place is Patal Ganga,
Okay.
where it is famous for the hot spring.
Okay. Yeah. So why do every time we are actually think about like the Western Odisha is like lack in development rather than compared to the Eastern Odisha. So is there any steps taken by government to develop this Western Odisha, and
Yes.
what are the challenges actually we are facing in the Western Odisha, and what are the steps taken by government to develop this Western Odisha?
Uh, so the government is ever since the problem has been raised from the Western Odisha, the government is trying to level the problem, as the government already established the Western Odisha Development Council, which comprises 10 Western Odisha districts for their socio-economic development, and other developmental work like uh, Biju Infrastructure Development Project, and as well as Gopabandhu Infrastructural Development Project is also implemented in the Western Odisha. The various facilities were given to the Western Odisha student for their scholarship and schooling in the higher institutions, and uh, even though the even though the efforts by the government, but still the Western Odisha is lagging behind from the development, as there are still issues like unemployment and lack of employment opportunities. The literacy rate is quite low, and the natural factors also added to their problem, like low soil profile, lack of irrigational project, and low rainfall also has been seen, and the forest cover also typically it is a dry deciduous forest, so people of that area who are dependent on the forest and agricultural product would not make out of those natural resources as other part of the Odisha.
Okay. So what is the difference between Kaliya Jojana and Balaram Jojana?
Kaliya Yojana is the incentive given to the farmers. But Balram Yojana is incentive given to the landless farmers.
Okay, very good. So, have you heard about 5T?
Yes, sir.
What is it?
The 5T is the initiative under the Mo Sarkar, which the acronym of 5T is time, teamwork, transparency, technology leads to transformation. It is a holistic approach the government will follow to develop develop a certain things, or in the particular department this principle should be followed for the faster result.
Okay. So, you mentioned your hobby is cricket.
Yes, sir.
So, what you like the most in cricket?
So I'm basically all rounder. So I just enjoy the game in every department, even if it is bowling, batting, or fielding.
Okay. So, suppose there are 5 balls, okay,
Yes,
in
sir.
the last 5 balls, and you have 23 runs. So, what you are thinking in that situation? Whether you thought to, like, what is your thought in this situation?
Sir, I should not. In that situation, I should be thinking about each ball. How can I hit each ball to the fullest of my strength, and not thinking about the bigger picture. I will go step by step, and for each ball, I will try to make out the most of it.
Do you know any person who have actually in last 5 ball score 23 run?
Sorry, sir, I will not remember right now.
Okay. Have you? It's Dhoni. Have you see Dhoni match, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. So just tell me uh, when India got its first World Cup.
Sir, India got its first ODI World Cup in 1983.
Okay. Who is the captain of Indian team?
Under the captainship of Kapil Dev.
Okay. Who is the most like one day who have made the most one day century in India?
Mm. Virat Kohli, sir.
Virat Kohli or Sachin Tendulkar? Who is the most one day?
Sachin Tendulkar, sir.
Okay. So tell me 5 qualities you have and you think that you are fit for this civil service.
Mm. From my instance, I can tell you, sir, that from my experience, from my past research and my past academia, I can tell that I am punctual in my life. First, second, I listen to every situation and every story of everybody, and then I give my opinion or judgment. Third thing, I am very much patient in my work. And fourth thing is I do not give up easily in any situation. And fifth thing is I realize the problem easily. Means realization of problem is, I think I have the quality of realization of problem.
Okay, recent now there is a big cry for this COVID-19. We are all undergone through this COVID crisis situation from last 2 years. Suppose you are a video of a particular blog and there are so many cases in your blog. So how will you manage that situation in your blog?
First of all, I would like to I would announce. I would arrange a awareness campaign throughout the block and aware people about the negative impact of this COVID-19, and not only themselves but also the whole community is affected by a single person. So I should first educate them about these things. Second thing, I strictly follow the government guidelines which the state government or the central government has given. The third thing is I should talk to the local shopkeepers and local vendors that they should properly maintain the guidelines, because it is important, because they are very much eager to be in the business, because it is their lifeline to for their daily income. So I would assure them, once the situation is under control, they will be in a safe zone. So I will follow these things.
Okay, thank you, Rohit. Okay, so that is all
Thank you, sir.
from my side. So